To link the Zelle mobile app, start by downloading and installing the Zelle app from the Apple App Store or Google Play Store, depending on your device. Once installed, open the app and select Get Started. You will be prompted to enter your mobile number to receive a verification code. Enter the code you received to verify your phone number. Next, select your bank or credit union from the list of participating financial institutions. If your bank is not listed, you can still use Zelle through your bank's mobile app. Choose the account you want to use with Zelle, such as a checking or savings account. You may be redirected to your bank's website to log in and authenticate your account. After linking your account, you will be asked to create a profile, including your name and email address. Make sure to use your real name and a valid email address, as this information will be used to identify you when sending and receiving money. To add a recipient, select Send Money and enter the recipient's email address or mobile number. You can also add a memo to the transaction, which is optional. Enter the amount you want to send and select Review. Review the transaction details to ensure everything is correct. Then select Send. When receiving money, the recipient will receive a notification with instructions on how to claim the payment. If the recipient is not enrolled with Zelle, they will be prompted to enroll and link their account to receive the payment. To ensure secure transactions, always use a valid email address and phone number, and never share your account information with anyone. Be cautious when sending money to unfamiliar recipients, and always review transaction details carefully before confirming. By following these steps, you can easily link the Zelle mobile app and start sending and receiving money with friends, family, and others. Zelle is a fast and convenient way to transfer funds. And with these guidelines, you can get started right away.